In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to approve something in Wrike. Whether you are a seasoned project manager or just starting out, understanding how to manage approvals in Wrike is a critical skill for ensuring smooth project progression. So, let's dive right in. To begin, you'll want to open your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser that you prefer. In the search bar, type in Wrike and hit Enter. Click on the link that takes you to the Wrike homepage. If you already have an account, simply click on Log In. If you're new to Wrike, you might see an option to Try Wrike for free. Both will guide you into the platform where you can access your tasks and projects. Once you've logged into Wrike, you'll need to navigate to the specific task, project, or folder that requires your approval. This is where knowing the structure of your Wrike workspace comes in handy. Typically, you'll use the menu or search bar at the top of the page to find what you're looking for. Make sure you open the appropriate task or project very carefully to avoid any discrepancies. Now, with the task, project, or folder open, direct your attention to the approval panel. This panel is usually positioned right above the description field of the task. It's a dedicated space designed for handling approvals, so you won't have to go digging through various tabs or menus to find it. A helpful feature you'll notice here is the ability to hover over the number of approvers. This tool shows you who else is assigned to the approval. You'll also see whether their decisions are still pending or if any action has been taken. This can be particularly useful if you're working with a team, as you can gauge the progress and understand where everyone stands in the approval process. Once you've assessed the situation and are ready to proceed, the final step is clicking the Approve button. By clicking this button, you're making your decision official, and it's recorded in the system. This is a crucial step, as your approval could be the green light the team needs to move forward. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to approving something in Wrike. Following this process ensures that approvals are documented and visible to everyone involved, keeping your workflows efficient and transparent. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you manage your projects more effectively